Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will cover the important questions related to central government schemes useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. When was the Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana approved by the Union Cabinet? Correct answer is option A, 16th July 2025. When was the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana launched? Correct answer is option B, 28th August 2014. It is launched by Ministry of Finance. When was the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana launched? Correct answer is option A, 13th February 2024. It is also known as PM Suryoday scheme. Under which scheme are vaccinations provided for 7 diseases including polio, TB and measles? Correct answer is option D, Mission Indradhanush. It is launched on 25th December 2014 by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. When was Atal Pension Yojana launched? Correct answer is option B, 9th May 2015. It is launched by the Ministry of Finance. What is the maximum loan amount available under the Shishu category of the PM Mudra scheme? Correct answer is option A, 50,000. This scheme launched on 8th April 2015 and the full form of Mudra is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. When was the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana launched? Correct answer is option D, 22nd January 2015. It is launched by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Which scheme was launched to promote rural development by members of parliament? Correct answer is option A, Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. It is launched on 11th October 2014. When was the Make in India initiative launched? Correct answer is option C, 25th September 2014. When was the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan Yojana launched? Correct answer is option A, 15th February 2019. When was the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana launched? Correct answer is option A, 12th September 2019. Who is eligible for the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana? Correct answer is option B, farmers with 2 hectares of land between 18 and 40 years of age. When was the Agnipath scheme announced? Correct answer is option D, 14th June 2022. When was the PM Vishwakarma Yojana launched? Correct answer is option B, 17th September 2023. It is inaugurated from New Delhi. When was the PM Janman Yojana launched? Correct answer is option D, 15th November 2023. Launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Jharkhand. It is also known as Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Mahabhiyan. When was the Amrut scheme launched? Correct answer is option A, 25th June 2015. And the full form of Amrut is Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. When was the Smart Cities Mission launched? Correct answer is option D, 25th June 2015. When was the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana launched? Correct answer is option A, 25th June 2015. When was the Digital India Mission launched? Correct answer is option D, 1st July 2015. When was the Skill India Mission launched? Correct answer is option A, 15th July 2015. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana launched in which year? Correct answer is option C, 2014. When was the Sagarmala project launched? Correct answer is option C, March 2015. It is the scheme of Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. When was the Uday scheme launched? Correct answer is option B, November 2015. And the full form of Uday is Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana. It is launched by the Coal and Power Ministry, and Jharkhand is the first state to join this scheme. When was the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rurban Mission launched? Correct answer is option A, 21st February 2016. What is the objective of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme? Correct answer is option A, direct income support of rupees 6,000 to farmers. When was the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme launched? Correct answer is option D, February 2019. When was the Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana Saubhagya launched? Correct answer is option B, 25th September 2017. It is launched by the Ministry of Power. When was the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana launched? Correct answer is option C, 4th May 2017. When was the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sparsh scheme launched? Correct answer is option A, 3rd November 2017. What is the objective of the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sparsh scheme? Correct answer is option A, scholarship for promotion of aptitude and research in stamps as a hobby. What is the interest rate under the Varisht Pension Bima Yojana? Correct answer is option A, 8% for 10 years. When was the Varisht Pension Bima Yojana launched? Correct answer is option D, 2017. When was the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Ayushman Bharat launched? Correct answer is option A, 23rd September 2018, and it is inaugurated from Ranchi, Jharkhand. What is the benefit of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Ayushman Bharat? Correct answer is option B, cashless health facility up to rupees 5 lakh for poor families. When was the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana launched? Correct answer is option A, 1st May 2016. What is the main objective of the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? Correct answer is option D, to provide free LPG connections to BPL families. When was the Setu Bharatam scheme launched? Correct answer is option A, 4th March 2016. What is the main objective of the Setu Bharatam scheme? Correct answer is option B, to make national highways free of railway crossings. When was the Stand Up India scheme launched? Correct answer is option D, 5th April 2016. What is the main objective of the Stand Up India scheme? Correct answer is option B, providing loans for setting up new companies ranging from rupees 10 lakh to rupees 1 crore. When was the Udan scheme launched? Correct answer is option A, 27th April 2017. And the last question is, what does Udan stand for? Correct answer is option A, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you: when was the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana launched? So friends, share or answer in the comment box, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.